So you've bought your Nintendo Switch and everybody's happy with it until you realise that you've put on the Joy-Con straps the wrong way. So it should be plus to plus here, and you should slide it on there, and it should be nicely fitted. You can see there it fits perfectly, and you lock it into place and then unlock it to remove it, nice and easy. But what happens if you put it on the wrong way? Don't worry, this happens to loads of people. Make sure you don't keep doing it because it can lead to damage to your Joy-Con controller. Right now, especially if they're locked into place, like so, that is not going to come undone. Yep, it's on solid. What you have to do is be very gentle with it. Unlock it here. So this little tab here locks when it's in that position, but it unlocks when it's in that position down here. So make sure it's unlocked and keep a little bit of pressure on it when it's unlocked. At the same time, press in this release button. And now watch this, nice and gently, with no real damage to anything, I can undo it because I kept pressure on that in the unlock position and I hit this button down here. The reason it can cause damage is because there's a little catch. What can happen is if you keep yanking them off in the wrong position, that catch can chip and then your Joy-Cons will start to lift off the Nintendo Switch without even pressing that button. But look, don't panic. All you have to do is, again, put pressure on the unlock. Yeah, so I'm going down. I'm pressing that button fully in and now I'm just going to gently slide it off like that. So it's not actually too bad. Just do it one more time. Unlock, press the button in and gently slide it all the way down. If it's getting caught on these bits here, again, do the unlock and then it will come off because the unlock just has two little tabs down here that lock into position up, and when you do this, it allows them to move in. Thanks for watching.